Driver agent plus. चेक करूँगी।
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
आवाज येतोय?
मॅम हो येतो.
Shall we start?
येस मॅम.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
which topic we have started?
Susceptibility.
Susceptibility by H.A. Robert.
Susceptibility.
How he defined the susceptibility?
In the term of vacuum.
Reaction of the organism to external internal influences.
How he defined?
Primarily as
Reaction
a
of the organism
reaction to external internal.
influences.
Right.
बहुत कम है.
What happened? What happened?
Nothing, ma'am.
Like somebody has speak something, na? That's why I'm asking. Okay. So, which 3 points we have covered yesterday?
Susceptibility in children.
Right.
Artificial susceptibility in drug proving.
Very good.
And natural susceptibility in sick individual.
Yes.
Sick individual.
And susceptibility can be diminished or destroyed.
Yes, right. So we have seen the example for that. That is the scarlet fever. Where that person is only having the symptoms, the rest of the people there, they are not got the infection of the scarlet fever. So he used the word there vis minor and vis major to the disease. So a person who is prone for the disease, he is a vis minor, and the infector, that is the vis major. So he is giving the infection to that vis minor. इथपर्यंत क्लिअर आहे सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. शिवानी, नाही का? श्रद्धा, नहीं. तेजस्विनी,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो यहाँ से. स्टेट इन
Yes, ma'am.
हम शिवानी वास्ते.
कहाँ से ना?
स्टेट इन्वॉल्व्स. जहाँ पे कर्सर रखा है ना मैंने, वहां से
हाँ
पढ़ो.
हाँ मैम दिखा.
हाँ.
State involves the attitude of organization to internal cause and to internal circumstance. It is all the resource of defense on the way of yielding the taking on. The state is the history of a human life. In health, we live and act and resist without knowing it. In disease, we live but suffer and know ourselves in conspicuous and unconspicuous exaggeration.
बस. So in health we don't know कि every time we are not falling ill, because कोविड पेशेंट भी हमारे बाजू से गया तो हमको पता नहीं चलेगा. Nowadays the contact tracing is not there. So हमको पता नहीं चलता है because our immunity is strong. We are not responding towards the disease every time. So we are not having the any value for that susceptibility. But as soon as you fall sick, when you are susceptible towards the disease, you will get the value for that reaction. So in the disease, he said that ki will you with a suffer and know ourselves in consciousness and unconscious exaggeration. So we are having the physical and mental symptoms. Sometimes we are conscious about that. Sometimes the things are happening inside our body, but we cannot, we will not get the things. For that, we have to do the certain investigations. So in this way, this is the value of susceptibility. Ki when it is decreased, when you are susceptible to the disease, you are in a vis minor. So at that time, you will feel the certain signs and symptoms. Next, Tejaswini, words.
Ma'am, kutun?
It is incubant.
It is incumbent upon us to recognize, conserve, and utilize normal susceptibility to physical environments, to foods, to remedies, and to toxic agencies. It should be our aim never to use any agent or anything of any nature, or to adopt any procedure that would in the least diminish or destroy this power of susceptibility and the reaction of the organism in its normal manner.
Right.
On this normal susceptibility and reaction depends the status of health. To do anything to diminish or destroy the normal reaction is not the province of a physician. Rather, it is the province of the physician to conserve natural susceptibility. For without a recognition of this power, all our efforts as physician would be worthless.
Right.
It is just as much the province of physician to exercise conservation of susceptibility in the organism that it may act defensively against a toxin, contagion, or infection as it is to have this susceptibility react constructively to food and drink or to the curative remedy. Again, it is just as natural and important for the organism to react pathogenetically to the size and power of the dose of poison as it is for it to react to a demand for food.
Yes, thank you, Tejaswini. So here he said that we have to conserve the susceptibility. Now we know how this susceptibility is important to us. It is important in our health, but when you are more prone for the infectious things, for the miasm, the reaction is you feel the morbid state. So what is our duty? What is the duty of physician that is given in this paragraph? The normal process should not be interfered, so that it will be uh, it will not get disturbed. And if it is disturbed, we should use the natural method to protect the organism. This thing is given in this paragraph. In it is incumbent upon us to recognize. Incumbent means who is the holder of this susceptibility, that is the normal person or the healthy person who recognize, who conserve and utilize normal susceptibility. So at this, that is our stage. Now we are having the proper susceptibility, that is increased susceptibility. We recognize it. We are conserving it by taking the proper food, by doing the exercise, and by keeping all the precautions against any disease. We are utilizing it properly. So that means you are in a normal susceptibility. Normal to the physical environment, you are normal for the food and toxic and the remedial agencies. So if the proving is अगर आप proving कर रहे हो, so तो आपसे मुझे बहुत सारे signs and symptoms मिलेंगे. क्यों? Because you are in a healthy condition. So we know the importance of this susceptibility because we have recognized it, we conserve it, and we are utilizing this susceptibility properly. It should be our aim never to use any agent or anything of any nature or to adopt any procedure that would be least diminish or destroy the power of susceptibility and the reaction of organism in its normal manner. So if you know the importance, Priyanka Chaudhary, don't do anything.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So if you are conserving this, this is the healthy condition. So we have to sustain this healthy condition. That should be our aim. And for that, we should not use any agent or any procedure by which our susceptibility will get diminished or it is destroyed. Because when the susceptibility is diminished, this leads to the sickness. And when these susceptibilities get destroyed, this may lead to the death of the patient. This threatens the life, and the reaction of the organism will not be a normal. And hence, we should not do anything by which it will decrease or it will destroy. Upon this normal susceptibility and reaction depend upon the status of health. So this is the important line. If your susceptibility is normal, you are in a healthy condition. To do anything to diminish or to destroy the normal reaction is not the province of the physician. So this is up to ye jo tha, this is the rule. Ki if you are healthy, then you are having a power of susceptibility. You are having the normal power of your susceptibility. But anything if you are doing the drug proving or you are taking the wrong medicine, that means your susceptibility is now diminishing. Or sometimes if you are taking the dissimilar medicine or the opposite medicines, then your susceptibility will get destroyed. And in that condition, the normal reaction of your body will be totally lost, and this should not be done by the physician. Rather, it is the provenance of the physician to conserve the natural susceptibility. So physician ka kaam kya hai, what is their provenance? Ki to preserve the natural susceptibility without giving anything which will diminish or which will destroy the susceptibility of the patient. For without a recognition of this power, all our efforts as a physician would be worthless. If by giving the improper medicine or by any procedure, the susceptibility of the patient, if it is diminished or it is destroyed by the physician, then that will be a worthless. It is of no use. The medical knowledge will be in vain. It is of no use if you are giving the torture to the patient, if you are torturing the patient mentally or physically, and by which the susceptibility is decreases or destroy ho rahi hai, so your knowledge is worthless. It is just as much the provenance to of the physician to exercise the conservation of susceptibility in the organism. So what is our duty? We have to conserve the susceptibility of the organism without torturing by giving the larger doses, by repeating the doses, by giving the unnecessarily higher potency. In that case, you will not be able to conserve the susceptibility of that organism. So this should be our highest duty to conserve the normal susceptibility. हमको क्या करना है normal susceptibility यानी we have to maintain the natural immunity of that person. Instead of giving unnecessarily doses, larger doses, stronger doses, repetition of medicine, polypharmacy, जितना आपको कंजर्व हो सके उतनी नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी हमको ऑर्गेनिज्म की कंजर्व करनी है. दैट इट मे डिफेंसिवली अगेंस्ट द टॉक्सिन. हमको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं देना है विच विल बी अ टॉक्सिन टू द बॉडी ऑफ द पेशेंट, विच विल बी अ contagious, which will be infectious. if आपके यहाँ पे ओपीडी में गलती से कोविड पेशेंट आता है तो you have to ask that patient to sit separately so that there will not be a contagion. If there is a measles या chicken pox का भी छोटा बच्चा आता है, you ask the mother to keep that person to keep that child separate from the other child so that the infection will not spread. So this much consciousness, this much level of understanding should be there in the physician, as it is to have. क्यों करना है हमको सब कुछ? So to protect the susceptibility. so that you will react constructively to food and to the drink. जो आप फूड खा रहे हो, जो आप ड्रिंक ले रहे हो, जो वाटर आप ले रहे हो, जो जूस आप लोगे, so that will provide you the nutrition so that the natural immunity will be maintained. So जो हम मेडिसिन देंगे that will be act better. अगर एनर्जी नहीं है बॉडी में, द मेडिसिन विल नॉट एक्ट रैपिडली. सो वी हैव, तो हमारी ड्यूटी क्या होनी चाहिए, वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द ससेप्टिबिलिटी सो दैट अवर बॉडी विल रिएक्ट प्रॉपरली. और ये कंस्ट्रक्शन कब होगा ससेप्टिबिलिटी का, बाय टेकिंग द प्रॉपर फूड एंड ड्रिंक. सो इट विल अगेन एक्ट as a curative remedy, then our medicine will act as a remedy. Again, it is just as natural and important for the organism to react pathogenetically to the size and the power of the dose of poison as it is for the demand of the food. So medicine जब आप drug proving में भी दोगे, so that medicine will act pathogenetically on your body. So to act on the body pathogenetically, the dose of that medicine is important. And if you are not healthy, if you are not taking the proper food, if you are then that medicine will not prove properly on your body as it demands the proper food. So in this paragraph, H.A. Roberts said that the first duty of physician is to maintain the natural susceptibility. The physician should not interfere the process of this natural susceptibility. We should not interfere the normal reaction of our body. We should not give anything which will resist the vital energy, because to protect the organism, this is the foremost duty of our vital force. So we should not give anything by which the susceptibility will diminish or the susceptibility will destroy. During the drug proving, it's okay, but for that we also require the supplementation of the nutritious diet. So what is our foremost duty? Key to conserve the natural susceptibility. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will read this paragraph? Anyone?
मी वाचू?
Ma'am, may I?
तुम्ही दोघी नेहमीच वाचता. Why the other students are not coming?
मी वाचू
मी वाचू मॅम.
पूर्वी पण नेहमीच वाचत असते.
Ma'am, may वाचू?
तू पण नेहमीच वाचते. अश्विनी येडके, पूजा ओझरकर, पूजा शेळके, प्रियंका आल्हाट, आहे का कोणी इथे? No one wants to be on unmute.
मैम मी रीड करते.
हाँ कर, thank you.
We must lay particular stress on demanding the conservation of normal susceptibility in the care of the sick. For in sickness, susceptibility is exaggerated, and we must be very careful to do nothing to impair it, for it is through these exaggerated reactions that we find our clue to the similar remedy. In sickness, it is essential to remember that it is only in the administration of the similar remedy that susceptibility is satisfied. All our efforts must be gauged by this one question: does the remedy satisfy the demands of this exaggerated susceptibility?
Yes, thank you, Priyanka. We must lay particular stress. So what should be our aim? वो जो यहाँ पे पहले पैराग्राफ में बताया है, again he is saying कि our stress we should focus for what? For the conservation of this normal susceptibility. Even in the sick, we should not give the stronger dose, as I have told previously also कि if you are treating the sick person, the repetition of the dose and potency should be proper according to the susceptibility, because too high potency and too much repetition of the dose, this may hamper the procedure of your cure. So in every time we should be conserve, जितना हो सके पेशेंट वो नेचुरल डिसीज को खुद होके जितना वो फाइट करेगा विथ हिज नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी, उतना ही वो डिसीज जल्दी अच्छे से क्योर होगा और उसको बार 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 वो डिसीज नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उसकी इम्यूनिटी विल डेवलप वेरी नाइसली. फॉर द सिकनेस ससेप्टिबिलिटी, क्योंकि सिकनेस में ससेप्टिबिलिटी कैसी है, इट इज एग्जैगरेटेड, यू आर मोर प्रोन टुवर्ड्स द डिसीज एजेंट्स, your reaction is very much rapid towards the morbific agent, and that's why he said that the susceptibility is exaggerated and we must be careful to do nothing to repair it. हम what should be our duty कि इसको हमको repair करना है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज एग्जैगरेटेड, उसको हमको कम करना है. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू गिव, व्हाट इज अवर क्लू, दैट इज अ सिमिलर रेमेडी. So by giving the similar remedy to the sick, जो भी susceptibility which is exaggerated towards the disease agent, that will be decrease and you will be in a, or that patient will be in a normal susceptibility. In sickness, it is essential to remember that it is only the administration of similar remedy that satisfy the susceptibility. This is a very 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 important line. कि यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिया है कि the susceptibility is exaggerated, but what to do for that exaggerated susceptibility? So we have to give the similar remedy. All our effort will be gauged by the one question: does the remedy satisfy the demand for the exaggerated susceptibility? So patient भी आपको ये पूछेगा कि ये 4 ग्लोब्यूल से क्या मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा? So the same question he asked here कि gauze means it revolving. So एक ही so what अपनी effort क्या होना चाहिए कि the exaggerated जो susceptibility है वो हमको conserve कैसे करनी है. So patient अगर आपको ये पूछता है कि will my exaggerated susceptibility will satisfy by these 4 globules, so you should be confident for that कि yes, your susceptibility will be normal by giving the not only the remedy but which type of remedy or what should be the nature of that remedy. It should be a similar remedy so that the susceptibility will get satisfied. So the question for this answer ki yes, by the remedy the exaggerated susceptibility will get satisfied. And लेकिन एक condition क्या है, the medicine should be similar one. So this is the susceptibility in health and this is the susceptibility in sickness. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our duty in health? What is the duty of physician?
Conserve the natural susceptibility.
Yes, we have to conserve the natural susceptibility. We have in health, we have to recognize it, we have to conserve it, we have to utilize it properly so that the patient will be in a healthy condition with by giving the smaller dose or by giving the proper dose.
Mm.
How the natural or how you can conserve the susceptibility? By proper
Giving
physical
similar
environment, by proper food, by giving the proper remedies and not giving anything which is toxic to your patient, because the normal
Patient.
susceptibility is nothing but the health, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the role of physician in sickness, or what is this susceptibility in sickness?
It is exaggerated.
Yes, it is exaggerated. So we should not do anything which impair this susceptibility more.
Mm.
And for that, what we have to give? What is our clue?
To administer the Similar
Similar
remedy.
medicine.
So here the
So
clue
that-
is to administer the similar medicine to the patient so that it will satisfy the exaggerated susceptibility, so that it will act constructive. If it is not similar, it will act as a destructive manner. क्लिअर आहे सिकनेस आणि हेल्थचं ससेप्टेबिलिटी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हेच पॉइंट्स तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा हा. जे जे पॉइंट्स मी तुम्हाला सांगते त्याच पॉइंट्सला तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करायचं आहे ससेप्टिबिलिटीचे.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will read this paragraph?
मी वाचू का?
What?
We cannot stress too much the necessity of adhering strictly to the law of similars in meeting these susceptibilities. Many medicines or preparations are introduced into the organism either by mouth or by injection into the bloodstream that have no basis of similarity to the susceptibility of the patient and which are therefore destructive to the restoration of normal susceptibility. When such producers are adopted on any other basis than symptom similarity, the results are either palliative or suppressive, and the ultimate result is that the patient is worse than before or complete destruction takes place.
Yes, thank you so much. So if you are not tracing, if you are not concentrating for the conservation of this normal susceptibility or the natural susceptibility, so what will happen? It is given in this. If you are giving any medicine or any preparation by mouth or by you are giving to the patient by injectable way, so that it will directly enter into the bloodstream. लेकिन आप क्या दे रहे हो? इट इज नॉट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिम्टम्स सिमिलैरिटी, बिकॉज पहले ही पैराग्राफ में हमने ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया था कि ये जो रेमेडी है ये सेटिस्फाई करेगी क्या एग्जैगरेटेड ससेप्टेबिलिटी को. तो हमने आंसर दिया था यस, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ सिमिलर रेमेडी. सो इफ द फिजिशियन इज नॉट यूजिंग the similar medicine, no basis of similarity to the susceptibility of the patient, so iska result kya hoga? There will be a destruction of restoration of normal susceptibility. So yahan pe kya hoga? There is a diminish susceptibility ho jayegi, ya fir this is known as a destructive, that is a partial destruction of susceptibility. When such procedure are adopted, yani without giving the similar medicine, if such procedures are adopted on the other basis, any dissimilar medicine या opposite medicine, so this will result either palliation or suppression. So यहाँ पे आप कैसे लिख सकते हो कि if we want to conserve the normal natural susceptibility, we have to give the similar medicine. So instead of giving the similar medicine to conserve the susceptibility, if the physician is giving the opposite medicine or the dissimilar medicine, this may leads to the destruction of that susceptibility. So this destructiveness may be the partial or complete. If it is a partial destruction, then this will leads to the palliation and suppression. And if it is a total destruction, this may leads to the death. And the ultimate result of the patient is worse than before or complete destruction takes place. So improper medicine, this will leads to the partial destruction or complete destruction. Partial destruction will leads to the palliation and suppression, which leads to the impossible to cure that person. Suppression अगर होता है तो, और अगर total destruction या complete destruction होता है, so this may leads to the worsening of the patient या फिर death of the patient. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, he took the reference from the James Ewing of Cornell University of Medical College, and he quoted by, and ये जो quotation अभी दिया है, ये quotation लिया है डॉक्टर स्टुअर्ट क्लोज ने. अब ये दोनों का रेफरेंस इन्होंने यहाँ पे लिया है. Who will read this?
Ma'am, वाचू?
Yes.
The effort to produce passive immunity against the various infections by means of sera many fail in spite of the destruction of all the bacteria present in the body by reason of the endotoxins thrown out in the process of bacteriolysis resulting from the serum injections.
So he has given here ki what happened, or you can say that is the immunization and the susceptibility. If you are doing your body passive way, so what will be the reaction of your body next time? The effort to produce the passive immunity. What is passive immunity and active immunity? आपने ये पैथोलॉजी में पढ़ा होगा ना, 2 types of immunities. What is passive and what?
ऍक्टिव्ह इज फ्रॉम बर्थ आणि पॅसिव्ह जी
नाही,
नंतर
बाय
आपल्या
बर्थची वेगळी असते. बाय बर्थ आणि दुसरी जी असते बाय बर्थला आपण काय म्हणतो?
Innate
हा, इनेट इम्युनिटी. आणि दुसरी कोणती
आणि
आहे?
acquired.
येस,
Acquired.
ॲक्वायर्ड. मग इथे मी पॅसिव्ह आणि ऍक्टिव्ह विचारते. 2-3 क्लासिफिकेशन्स आहेत ना इम्युनिटीचे.
हा.
पॅसिव्ह म्हणजे जी दिली जाते आणि ऍक्टिव्ह जी बॉडीत बनते.
येस, पॅसिव्हचा शब्दच म्हणजे अर्थच तो आहे ना, की काही न करता, काहीही हातपाय न हलवता तुम्हाला जागेवर जर मिळत आहे, तो यू विल बी इन अ पॅसिव्ह स्टेट. जर मी तुम्हाला युनिव्हर्सिटीचा पेपर आत्ता दाखवला, की हा पेपर येणार आहे बरं तुम्हाला युनिव्हर्सिटीचा ऑर्गेनॉनचा, तर तुम्ही काय कराल? किंवा आपला प्रिलिमिनरी एक्झामचा युनिव्हर्सिटीचा पेपर तर माझ्या हातात नसेल, पण प्रिलियम्सचा पेपर तर माझ्या हातात असेल, बरोबर आहे. मग मी तुम्हाला सपोज सांगितलं की द सीक द हायेस्ट आयडियल ऑफ क्युअर अनप्रेज्युडाइज ऑब्झर्वर आणि ससेप्टिबिलिटी. बस तुम्हाला एवढेच 4 प्रश्न करून यायचे, एवढे करून या, तुम्ही पास व्हाल. तर तुम्ही काय कराल?
तेवढेच करणार.
एवढंच करणार. तुम्ही बाकीचं ऑर्गनन काहीच वाचणार नाही, बरोबर आहे. सो यू विल बी इन अ पॅसिव्ह स्टेट. 4च प्रश्न करणार, बाकीचं ऑर्गनन देणार सोडून. सो दॅट इज अ पॅसिव्ह थिंग. आणि मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं, हा तुम्ही काहीही लिहा ना, मी तुम्हाला पास करणार आहे, काही आपल्याला घेणं देणं नाहीये त्या प्रिलियम्सची. तुम्ही काय करणार? व्हॉट विल बी युअर रिॲक्शन?
जे ते लिहिणार का?
तेच लिहू. जेवढं तुम्हाला ऑनलाईन शिकवलं तेवढंच लिहिणार. तुम्ही ते पुस्तक उघडण्याचे कष्ट घेणार नाही, की हा मॅडमनी सांगितलंच आहे ना, नाहीतरी की कसंही करून त्या पास तर करणारच आहेत. मग तुम्हाला जेवढं येतं, काही पण तिथे पिक्चरची स्टोरी, गाणं, गोष्ट काही पण तुम्ही लिहून येऊ शकता ना. सो तुम्ही तुमचं डोकंच नाही वापरणार. सो दॅट इज युअर पॅसिव्हनेस किंवा पॅसिव्ह स्टेट राहील ती तुमची. काय सुशांत? बरोबर आहे का? सुशांत इज हिअर? नाहीये वाटतं आज. मगाशी होता, पण आता गेला वाटतं. ठीक आहे. सो दॅट इज युअर पॅसिव्ह स्टेट, की तुम्हाला हातपाय न हलवता, तुमचं डोकं न वापरता, काहीच कष्ट न करता तुम्हाला जर सगळं रेडीमेड मिळत आहे, सो दॅट इज युअर पॅसिव्ह. मग त्या पॅसिव्हमध्ये काय होणार? तुम्हाला जागच्या जागीच सगळं, तुम्हाला अभ्यासाचं मिळत आहे, तुम्हाला जेवण मिळत आहे, तुम्हाला लॅपटॉप आहे, तुम्हाला मोबाईल आहे, तुम्ही एका ठिकाणी पॅसिव्हली बसून आहात. सो व्हॉट विल बी द रिझल्ट ऑफ दॅट पॅसिव्हनेस? काय होईल त्यामुळे?
आम्हाला लिमिटेड गोष्टीच येतील
नाही. हा, ठीक आहे, लिमिटेड गोष्टी तुम्हाला येतील. अजून